Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be reviewing this gorgeous, luxurious, easy, because the lace is pre-cut, wig that I have on right here. Right now, she has some highlights going on. Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Jessie's Wig. This is what their packaging looks like. Inside of the box, they have all of their contact information. As for the goodies, they sent a satin scrunchie, a edge brush, which you know I appreciate, and then they sent regular wig caps, which is kind of like a rarity these days. But anyways, let's get into the wig. They sent me over their body wave highlight 7x5 closure wig in 24 inches long. This wig does not have any combs in the front. It has a comb in the back and an adjustable elastic band, which is very handy, and you really don't need the combs because this elastic bands. And this is a close-up look at the lace. It's giving what it needs to give. So I'm gonna co-wash and then I'll be back.
Hey y'all, so listen, this is our girl after she has been co-washed and air dried. I think you could clearly see how beautiful this hair is, like quality wise. I'm saying, like, oh my gosh, this is like the best quality hair that I've had in a very long time. I'm just jumping right in because I was actually gagged when I was washing it. I was like, what is this made out of? Like, it is so nice. Oh my gosh, this feels luxurious. Like, you remember back in the day when Bella Dream first like came about, and if you could get your hands on some Bella Dream hair, for one, you had money, but for two, like, the quality was just crazy, especially for like back then. This is what this is giving. This is some superb quality hair. It feels amazing. But this is her after she has been co-washed and air dry. I just had to like literally lust over the quality for a second because, like I said, I was quite literally gagged. And you can see the color. I love the highlights. It's not like a super light blonde. This is like a 30, I feel like. And I love the mix. Very, very pretty. And you already can see Miss Girl is pre-cut. You don't even really have to do much. And if you're the type of person where you wear your wigs like fresh out the box, then that will be even better because she comes already curled. I like to just co-wash my wigs, just personal preference for her, because you know I love me a body wave. While I feel like this body wave is not really body waving too much at the top, at the bottom the body wave is going crazy, okay? But at the top, like up here, from like here up, it's just really not doing much of anything. It's relatively flat. So I'm probably gonna go in and throw some wand curls in it because you know I just love me a good wand curl on any texture hair, but especially like a body wave, I feel like it adds to like the effortless look. So yeah, let's try her on. I'm going to adjust the strap just right away, just because I know I'm gonna have to. I love you. Drive safe. Don't talk to strangers. All right, let's get to business. Uh-oh, maybe I didn't need to adjust this. Ooh, oh, it's tight. So she's on. So I'm obviously gonna have to go in and cut that off because you know your girl wears her wigs behind her hairline. So let's get into styling.
Making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big got little things, got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Like I already said to y'all, I'm really not being dramatic and I'm not overhyping it. This hair quality is amazing. I have not felt some super buttery, smooth, soft hair like this in a while. But I already like talked about that in the beginning, but I just had to reiterate because it really is. This is 24 inches long. I mean, I feel like you could kind of go for like a 20. It's nice to have, but like you could go for like a 20. I'm not sure if I said already in the video. Well, I'm pretty sure I said in the very beginning when unboxing it that this is a 7x5 lace closure wig, but they do have 4x4 if you don't want this much and you want just like a little bit less. They have 4x4 and they also have 13x5, I believe, if you want a little bit more. I felt like this was like a good in between. The 7x5, you get like, if you like to lay frontal, you still kind of get this frontal aspect because it literally is a 7x5, so it's from temple to temple. But if you don't care for like the frontal vibe and you just want like a nice little part situation that you could do either a middle part or a side part, then a 4x4 will be good. And if you just all out a frontal girl, they got that for you too, 13x5. So yeah, y'all, let me know like if y'all have heard of this company. Have y'all shopped with them before? I had never heard of them prior to them reaching out to me, and then when I looked on their website, saw what they had, I was like, okay, like this is something cute that I'll try. And it just literally blew me away. Like it's not like anything like extra special in terms of the construction of the wig. It's a 7x5, a highlight body wave, right? But in terms of the quality, yeah, it's special. Like it's real special, and this is definitely something I would recommend if you have the coins to spare. So yeah, once again, thanks so much to Jessie's Wig for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the wig or the company, I will have all of the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. And like I said, I want to hear if you've heard of this company, if you tried something from this company in the comments. So let me know that, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye. Peace be still, and I keeps me a piece of steel. In the words of the wise one, Medea.